Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Basecamp alternatives. Basecamp is a popular project management tool that has been around for a long time. It's a great tool for small teams, but it can be a bit expensive and it can be difficult to use for larger teams. If you're looking for a Basecamp alternative, there are a number of great options available. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the best options and help you choose the right one for your needs. What is Basecamp? Before we get into the alternatives, let's take a quick look at what Basecamp is. Basecamp is a project management tool that helps you to organize your work, track your progress, and communicate with your team. It has a variety of features, including tasks. You can create tasks and assign them to team members. Milestones. You can create milestones to track your progress on projects. Discussions. You can create discussions to communicate with your team. Files. You can store and share files with your team. Calendar. You can view your team's calendar and see what everyone is working on. Why are people looking for Basecamp alternatives? There are a number of reasons why people are looking for Basecamp alternatives. Some of the most common reasons include cost. Basecamp can be expensive, especially for large teams. Complexity. Basecamp can be difficult to use, especially for new users. Lack of features. Basecamp may not have all the features that you need. What are some of the best Basecamp alternatives? There are a number of great Basecamp alternatives available. Here are a few of the best options: Trello, Asana, ClickUp, Monday.com, Notion. Trello. Trello is a visual project management tool that is easy to use and affordable. It has a drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to organize your tasks and track your progress. Trello is also a great tool for collaboration, as you can easily share boards with other team members. Asana. Asana is a powerful project management tool that has a wide range of features. It is more expensive than Trello, but it is also more powerful. Asana is a good choice for teams that need a more robust project management solution. ClickUp. ClickUp is a versatile project management tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. It is very affordable and has a wide range of features. ClickUp is a good choice for teams that are looking for a flexible and affordable project management solution. Monday.com. Monday.com is a visual project management tool that is similar to Trello. It is more expensive than Trello, but it also has more features. Monday.com is a good choice for teams that need a more visual and collaborative project management solution. Notion. Notion is a note-taking and project management tool that is very flexible and customizable. It is more expensive than the other tools on this list, but it is also more powerful. Notion is a good choice for teams that need a highly customizable project management solution. How to choose the right Basecamp alternative. When choosing a Basecamp alternative, there are a few things you should consider. Cost. How much are you willing to spend on a project management tool? Features. What features do you need? Ease of use. How easy is the tool to use? Collaboration. How well does the tool support collaboration? Once you have considered these factors, you can choose the best Basecamp alternative for your needs. Basecamp is a great project management tool, but it can be expensive and difficult to use for larger teams. If you're looking for a Basecamp alternative, there are a number of great options available. In this video, we discussed some of the best options and helped you choose the right one for your needs.